came in Delhi with some work and came to meet me also. I welcomed Parshishti because she was very outstanding. One point which I gathered from Parshishti's direct conversation, she showed the paper was very tough. Geography paper in her batch was totally a new pattern, and I asked how you manage the difficult questions. She said I did not attempt those questions. Those who were beyond my reach, I skipped. But that time I devoted to the remaining questions and gave beautiful drawings, diagrams with proper presentation. So she utilized the test and got very good marks in geography, despite the paper was a tough paper in that year. With these words, I welcome Parshishti Parikh in Pragati, after about 3 years, and request Parshishti to say a few words to the students who are going to the mains examination in 2016, December, after about 1.5 years. Welcome Parshishti and say a few words. Thank you very much. If you need, you can sit here.
Good morning, sir, and good morning all. Well, I was not here for giving a lecture. I just skipped. I was going through Rajendra Nagar and I thought I'll relive those days. So I thought of pitching in and meeting sir. So thanks for this opportunity to interact with you for a short while. I won't disturb this test series thing. One thing is the test series is important and it is useful, but that will depend on you, how you take it. One is, I can say about myself that I took it very religiously. Even when there was an attempt when I did not clear pre, I was with sir that time also. I was taking the test series, the mains test series, and I could not clear the pre that time. But still, I continued with the test series. So one thing is that if you are enrolling in the test series, take the test religiously. Meaning you have to sit through it 3 hours and you have to complete it. For me, there were times when I could not sit through the test when the test was scheduled. Sir was gracious enough to give me time, meaning I came 2 days late and wrote the paper, but you have to be religious enough to write the test throughout the 3 hours. Second, geography, these days I have not gone through the papers that are coming for the last 2 years, because once you get through, you are out of this circle, fortunately or unfortunately. So I have not gone through the papers, how are they coming these days, but some things will remain true with geography. That is, you have to have command over the diagrams and maps, as sir has been telling you. So I will be repeating most of the fundas I will be giving you about geography is what sir says. So there is nothing new about that, but that is tested. If it is coming from me, then I can assure you that that is tested, that gives you marks.